Guys, it's me, Jimmy. So the question is, should you go and get a degree from the Ohio Christian University? Ohio Christian University, really? Come today, Sakura, and let's find out. So let's find out about the Ohio Christian University. Ohio Christian University is a private university. Okay. Let me look the tuition. The tuition is average for a private. I'm sure the rank is going to be super bad. I mean, just due to the for ICU. The rank is bad. I mean bad, absolutely horrible. My personal opinion, rank is really bad. Let me look at the images. Okay, is this Aladdin? Is this Aladdin lamp? Okay. I mean it do not seems good. I'm sorry, I'm not getting a good vibe. Stay away. Personal opinion, stay away. I don't know why you wanna waste your time and money. Yeah, that will be my 2 cents. Subscribe and bye.